What's up, guys? It's Slim. Before we start this video, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Candy and Chrome, ST Racing Concepts, RedCat Racing. Most of all, I want to also give a shout out to the RC Hop Shop. I want to give a shout out to Hobby Wing and definitely Power Hobby. I also want to give a shout out to Screen Print Digital. Thank y'all for helping me start this build. Review of what we're about to do on the RedCat Monte Carlo that we have right here. Let me go ahead and move this body out of the way. So we do have the standard Monte Carlo chassis. We're going to be doing a full upgrade on this. We're upgrading this to 3S. We're going to upgrade the ESC on it. We're also going to throw in a BEC, some high grade servos, all chrome parts. Let me go ahead and set this to the side and show you guys what we are working with. So we are going to have the full chrome chassis we're working with. We also got the front steering setup that we're going to be working with. We got the candy and chrome frame rails we're going to be working with. We've got the gearbox housing. We got the chassis braces. We're going to be doing the rear chrome assembly. We're going to be doing toe links. We got front, upper, lower control arms we're going to be putting on. We've got new arms for our servos. We're doing chrome drive shaft. We've got the steering tray. We've got the back half of the chassis. We've got the chain up here for when we run our chain bridge suspension. We got something special going on with this interior. I'll tell you about that in a later episode, but that's going to be awesome. What else do we have hidden in here? We got some extra bell cranks. You never know, something might break. We got upgraded aluminum C-hubs. We got the STRC low and slow front brace. Now when we do our C-hubs, that's very important. If you are going to buy a C-hub kit, it's very important that you go to the RC Hop Shop and you want to get this adjustable steering link if you're doing this on the Monte Carlo. Because you will have a toe problem whenever you start doing that. What else do we have? I know we were talking about doing this chrome RedCat, the steering tray, but I went ahead and upgraded and got the STRC aluminum steering tray since we're going to be hopping. I don't want to break anything that often. Throw that to the side. I also went ahead and got the RedCat shocks. So we'll have all those. I'll show you how to set those up and what setup is going to be best for a street hopper setup. We got some more parts. Of course, we got our Castle 10 amp BEC. We got our Castle link so we can program our BEC. We got our servo programmer. We're going to need that in the future. We got our programming card to go along with our Hobby Wing 1080 brushed electronic speed controller. This is the Quick Run. This thing is awesome. So wait to see this installed. That's going to be cool. And this programming card is going to give us a lot of function with this as well. We also have, this is the king right here. This is the bread and butter. We're going to install 4 of these Power Hobby MG209 V2 servos. These are putting out just about as much as a super pump. So it's going to be really nice to see these running on 8.4 and see how they hop along with this car and everything once we get it put together. I also have something I want to try in this car. I have these pocket tunes. So the plan is with the pocket tunes is to put these underneath the floor pan under here, and it should give us a nice audio. I've already done some testing with it, so I really think these are going to be a really good addition to the car once we get that battery relocated to the back. Once we do have our 3S battery in the back and everything chrome, I do have a 64 trunk pan that I'm going to use to put on top of the battery, so we still have all that chrome finish inside. I also have chrome wire loom. So that's just a quick overview of everything we're going to be putting on this RedCat. Everything that we have going on. What's up, Lave? And then we will see you guys in the next episode. We're going to be programming servos, and we will show you how to turn these up to 100% so that they snap and they do not just back and forth slowly. We're going to get the most out of these servos, so watch the next episode for that. And thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead if you want to. If not, just hang along and watch the videos. All right, you guys have a great night.